What's up, guys? This is Premium Panda here, and I'm going to do a tutorial real quick on how to stream to Twitch and TikTok at the same time. Now, this credit doesn't go to me. It goes to LT Cole Smash. You know, the guy with the blue hat and orange headphones. He showed me the best way to do that through his TikToks, and I'm just expanding what he's done by doing a simple tutorial for some people who don't know. So if you're interested in that, please stick around and watch the rest of this video. But I'm going to attempt to show you guys how to do the projected screens and how to set up TikTok Live Studio for multi-streaming to TikTok. Okay, so what you're currently seeing is the way my OBS is set up with my normal Twitch stream. And behind my chat screen is going to be my window projector for both the game and my webcam. What you're going to need to do is, I'm going to use this one as an example. You right click it, you come over to windowed projector scene. When you click it, it'll give you this small window projector of this current scene that you have selected. That is what I've done with my screen, my webcam, and my gameplay. So we have these set up already, and they're just staying behind my chat. If you have TikTok Live Studio, you want to come down here to your source, add your source, and it says window capture. You add the window capture to whatever thing you have. You come down here and it'll give you the game, and it gives you both of the scenes that you've got as a window capture, basically. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is get that red square off of your name. With TikTok, you're allowed, like with their studio, you can do I do my chat. It pops out. So once you get your TikTok started, I usually leave it like kind of halfway centered. I click back on my Twitch and I grab my chat for TikTok and just pretty much just leave it over the top of my Twitch chat. That way I'm able to not only see both chats, but I can interact without having to look in two different places. It's just right there. Guys, I hope this helped. If you have any more questions you need to ask, please don't hesitate in the comments. Shoot me a message over on any social media that I have. I will reply to you and help you out in any way possible. Hope y'all have a lovely day, and much love, Panda Gang.